With the advances in the medical world, we developed modern methods to solve many health and beauty problems. Of course, there are such modern ways for removing wrinkles too. If you want to benefit from the advances in the medical world for your beauty, you may consider using these methods to reduce wrinkles on your skin. In this video, we are going to look at some of these new treatments to reduce wrinkles. You can learn the details of these methods and consider which ones are suitable for you. Modern ways to reduce wrinkles. Laser skin resurfacing for wrinkle treatment. The most common traditional wrinkle treatments involve removing the dead skin cells on the top layer of the skin. These methods remove the old and dry top layer of the skin and reveal the smoother skin underneath. Revealing the smoother skin allows most anti-aging products to work better as well. Moreover, when you remove the top layer of the skin, it triggers the regeneration mechanism of the skin and produces collagen to heal. Then, collagen can plump up the skin and remove fine wrinkles. The traditional wrinkle treatments of resurfacing involve chemical peeling with acidic compounds or dermabrasion with scraping to remove the top layer. Although these methods are quite useful, they may present risks of leaving marks on your skin too. But luckily, we have a more modern resurfacing method now: laser skin resurfacing. The modern laser resurfacing method burns away the top layer of the skin with precision. This method can give you better and safer results, as the damage that lasers inflict on your skin is less than other methods do. The healing period after these wrinkle treatments is much shorter. Laser skin resurfacing can also break down the pigments in your skin, so you can benefit from laser treatments for skin lightening too. And it can help you with removing some scar marks as well. Botox injections for wrinkle treatment. Even if you were not interested in wrinkle treatments before, you probably have heard about Botox as an anti-aging treatment. The name of this method, Botox, comes from the botulinum toxin. This toxin can stop muscles from working. This property of this compound makes botulinum toxin useful for wrinkle treatments. Botox can be used for removing wrinkles by injecting it into certain muscles that cause those wrinkles. This method works best for facial wrinkles that are caused by constantly working facial muscles. The wrinkles in the corner of the eyes and frown lines can be the best examples of these areas. Many people prefer Botox injections because of how significant and quick the results of these wrinkle treatments are. However, these treatments require renewals once every 4 months as the body metabolism removes the toxin from the muscles. And if you do not undergo the treatments again, the muscles will start to work again, and the wrinkles you get removed may return. Filler injections for wrinkle treatment. Another example of the modern wrinkle treatments that offer quick and easy results is using filler injections. Filler injections are wrinkle treatments that work by using bulking agents under the wrinkle lines. The most widely used bulking agent for these injections is hyaluronic acid, which is a natural compound. Similar to botulinum toxin, filler injections are typically temporary too, because the body metabolism discards the bulking agent with time. So, these wrinkle treatments may require renewals 2 or 3 times every year. Plastic surgery for wrinkle treatment. If you are looking for more permanent wrinkle treatments that show significant results, you may also consider surgical options. With more and more advances in the medical world every year, plastic surgery became quite accessible. These days, plastic surgeries are commonly used for removing wrinkles as well. These surgical treatments usually work by smoothing out the wrinkles and removing some loose skin. Of course, this procedure requires many modifications in the structural tissues under the skin too. Although the recovery after the surgery takes some time and presents some complication risks, surgical wrinkle treatments probably offer the most significant results. And these results can be considered permanent too. Of course, within a decade new wrinkles can form too. But anti-aging products and moisturizers exist for this reason. To see our latest videos, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video to support us. Also, you can share this video with your friends to spread the information. We appreciate your comments and suggestions down below too. Thanks for watching.